After months of frustration, residents of Inglewood, Clarendon have received a February end deadline for the completion of a Spark project in their community. They complain that the project has been testing their patience. Sandy Williams reports.
Imagine going to bed in a quiet, clean community and waking up in what looks like a construction war zone. Roads torn open like open wounds, sidewalks smashed beyond recognition, entrances sealed off, vehicles imprisoned inside yards, and everywhere thick brown mud. This bitter pill was forced upon the Inglewood community 9 months back, marking the start of their as of yet unresolved nightmare. Residents say the damage wasn't just to the road, but to their dignity.
Fundamentally, we were never consulted. We were never told there is a plan to do work in your community, and we want to just get everybody's consensus on this, and then we also want to advise you when we're going to start. No such thing. So we think the disrespect started from then.
No warning, no consultation, just heavy equipment rolling in and normal life grinding to a halt.
I got stuck in the mud, and I had to ask somebody to come and pull me out at my cost. And so many people have had that. In Jamaica, we have code of ethics, and that's part of it, consultation with stakeholders. This is our home. This is not like a little bush, where nobody lives.
Others say they've been forced to walk through mud, cover their shoes with plastic, and even pass through private property just to get home. While residents stress they are not against development, they say what's happening here is development done wrong.
We are happy for work being done in our community. We are really grateful. However, let us do things in order. Let us do it orderly.
Frustration boiling over, letters sent to the minister, and a long-awaited meeting finally held. Though one key player, the National Water Commission, was notably absent. Still, project officials insist the end is now in sight.
We met this morning with the Inglewood Citizens Association and Mayor Mapen to listen to their concerns, things that are in the pipeline since this road was started some months ago, and we continue to now work post Melissa so that we can hurry up and complete the works.
China Harbor Engineering Company Czech says rain-soaked soil and drainage challenges slowed progress, but promises continuous access and a fix that lasts.
So this is part of the Spark project, which is shared prosperity through the rehabilitation of our road network. The residents have expressed these concerns as to why it is and when it is that we will see an end of the project on this road, which we have assured them will come within the next 4 to 6 weeks.
That timeline now under the microscope, with residents making it clear they'll be watching every move. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.